What up, y'all? Hey, and we have a surprise guest today. If he can find his keys. That's right. Two-word Tony.
He's back.
Two-word Tony woke up this morning. Decided to come back to Yellow Springs and hit another section of the park that we didn't explore last week. So we're gonna head on down there and try to get some more good footage and rock climbing, cave exploration in today. See you in a bit.
Van not in the water.
It'll be in the water. Yeah, we'll give you all a little view of Yellow Springs today. Here's the Welcome Center. It's a cool town with a lot of history. It's worth visiting even if you don't like to hike. And nice place to start the Buckeye Trail, which I keep saying I'm going to do, and I will eventually. All right. We're in Glen, Helen. Starting today's adventure in Glen, Helen. We got Axel with us today, but I didn't bring Marley because honestly, until Axel stops his bullying, it's just too much for me. So we're working on that at home. Once I get that straightened out, I'll bring Marley back or alternate one dog at a time. We're going to have the same situation as last week. I'm not going to be able to not film everything.
No way more pieced up.
They're slick. Stay. Axel's like, I'm not sure how I'm going to get up there.
Me either, dog.
Getting down's usually harder.
Now you jump off the side, dude.
Axel, what you doing down there, boy? What you doing down there, buddy? All by yourself.
Look, there's a deer right over here. There's like 3 of them.
Oh, I see him.
Axel.
See them deer over there, Jeremy?
Where?
Axel. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. It's not the best leaning tree. Axe. Axel. Stay here where I can see you, bub. All right, I'm gonna climb down and get my dog so he doesn't take off after a deer or something. I don't think he will, but come here, bub. Come here, Axe. He's like, whatever I'm smelling over here matters more. There's that deer walking through the woods. I don't know if you can see him. This deer's still right there. You see him? You good, two-word, Tony? Jump. Where are you?
I'll get down.
Oh, okay. Here, come here, bud. Another one? It's already a nice start to a Sunday morning, y'all. You don't think you can get over that? He doesn't seem to think he can get over that. Water just seeps out of the ground from everywhere around here.
Come on, Axel. You gotta use your big brain.
Go that way?
Yeah, trail goes that way. I thought you were just looking for the spring. Look at that old man jump.
Did you see that shit? Like a ninja.
Like a ninja. One thing about recording these videos is I'm realizing that it's hard to capture how steep some of the hills we climb really are. You know what I mean? Have you noticed that?
Yeah. I feel it also.
Yeah.
Still not so much like it was.
I see the video and I'm like, that hill does not look as steep as it does when you're actually standing in front of it. We go get us a drink out of the Yellow Spring and get this adventure started. Man, the water is flowing. Yeah, we'll go. Actually, we'll come by it when we're leaving, where you'll see the actual beaver dam, but you can see the results of it. So here's the spring is up there where it comes out of the ground, runs down here. And you want to climb a rock, you don't get Yeah. So we're at the beginning. Yeah, so we'll head on up to the actual spring. I remember feeling like this right here was a hell of a climb.
It ain't a hell of a climb.
It is for them weak bloodlines.
Good. Then I'm getting some work in.
Lord, thank you for this day. Keep us safe and protected while we're out here exploring, and help us enjoy the beauty of your creation. Axel's like going on without y'all. Axe.
all these stones around this thing. Definitely looking at me.
They what?
all the stones just capping this stuff that was man-made.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
There's a little irony in there too.
Yeah, it looks a little rusty.
Well, that's why. So that's why it's called the Yellow Springs, because of the iron content in the water stains everything yellow, eventually orange. But that's where the Yellow Springs came from. What we got here?
The earth smells old and warm and mellow, and all things lie at peace.
Did Hayden go on the do not go here spot?
There is nice little swimming hole, baby.
I know, dude. So that spot out there, you see where it gets dark?
Yeah, I seen it up there.
So that spot right there is one of those spots. It's like all, what do you call it?
It's bowled out real nice.
You'll sink straight down into it. It's like 30 feet deep, and it's just all full of sediment. It's just all sediment. I don't know if it's 30 feet. Like everything that I just said is something someone told me on this trail. I don't know any of it to be true, but that's what I was told. I'll just state that for the record.
Disclaimer, I know nothing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know shit.
Follow me blindly.
I ain't even saying follow me. I'm saying watch me and see if I get hurt. That's what I'm saying. Man, I want my head under that.
Do it, bro.
That one's real deep. Oh,
Where's my dog?
Went that way.
Axel, where are you?
right there.
Come here. Good boy. Good boy. You having fun? You having fun? I don't think that's it. Yeah, it's hard to pick and choose things to film around here, isn't it?
Film it all, man.
It's the way it's turning out to be. These are probably going to all be long videos. I need to start making shorts, and I have not been able to figure out how to do it yet. It's probably ridiculously easy, and I cannot figure it out.
Yeah, these shorts.
Appreciate that. Hey, hey.
You gotta get these TikToks if you can
I
stand it.
told him, man. I told him. I do TikTok.
I don't blame you though, 'cause I cannot bring myself to get anywhere near that app. No.
I can't be in charge of my own social medias is the thing. It'll ruin. It might be slow. I don't know, but ultimately I won't overcome the problems that develop from it because I enjoy that stuff too much. You know? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I enjoy that
An
type of
addiction.
like something that has been a I don't know if I'm recording or not. Something that's been a I think a staple of my whole life is I'll wait too long to confront issues, and it's not because I'm afraid of what's going to happen to me when it finally does come to that confrontation. I'm afraid of how much I'll enjoy it if it's like a negative type of encounter. Like if we start to argue, you know what I mean? I enjoy that stuff too much. And I'll lean way too hard into it. I mean, would you think it's fair to say that I'm the type that leans way too hard into things? But I'll eventually balance myself out. But yeah, so I got to watch out for that. So if I start managing my own social medias, it's over for me. That's what all that was to say. I think you know it. I think anybody that knows me probably knows it. Hey, Hayden. There you go, bud. Tell me where you wanted to sit. Got this nice little spot here. What do you think, buddy?
We gotta stay nomadic to find all them berries too. Next year the berries are gonna go fucking crazy. I hope out there at the Preble County Historical Society is another good yield next year. We straight pulled so fucking many out of there. They all have beautiful size and flavor to them too. I ain't never seen the late season berries get so big.
Yeah. Come on, Axe. There's berries.
Yeah.
There's a beaver dam.
I'm surprised we ain't got no gator around here.
Be nice.
Always thought of good gator hunting. Yeah, swamp people, you know.
Get paid to go out there and hunt gators.
Yeah, that's what I want to be doing.
You have to start releasing them into all the rivers.
Well, they stopped selling them in pet stores a long time ago because people were releasing them and they were surviving in the Ohio River.
Yeah, they can live in the snow and shit.
They were flushing them when they were little, thinking that did them in. A humane euthanization.
Through the toilet.
Yeah. And it turned out they were eating children in the Ohio River 10 years later. It's like, hey, you murdered people. All right. We cross right here, I think. Axe.
Gotta find a nice stone out here.
So I can tell you something that's for sure not going to happen is me trying to get that stone.
He was going good for a while.
He was. I don't say that I don't mean that to be disparaging in any way, shape, or form, because that man is 58 years old and he went out there and that one of them first I don't know, again, another thing I know nothing about, but one of them first blows he got in that first round, it rocked Jake Paul. You could tell. It knocked him back, man. It rocked him pretty good. Mike Tyson will forever be Mike Tyson no matter what. This is why we carry first aid kits. That's gonna feel good on the toesies. You could man. Well, your boots are waterproof, right?
Yeah, I can make it.
Yeah.
I'm just not trying to.
Yeah, I thought you were trying to figure out how to get over to that rock.
Jeremy, you gotta go pick up the stone over here.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Jeremy, you're going slower. Don't beat the clock.
Yeah.
Going that way?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we was coming back across here.
No.
Well, I said I was like, I ain't got to come across there.
I thought you just were like, I ain't in no
I was
hurry.
waiting for you guys to come back across.
Hayden started building a house, dude. You thought he was coming back.
What the fuck are you guys doing?
Hayden, he didn't start. He's got him a whole dugout over there, man. It's got a stove and everything in it. We ain't gonna tell nobody its exact location though, because it's our bunker.
Yeah, yeah. I totally thought you guys were just coming over here to check it out.
It's understandable, dude.
There's some crazy barrels out here.
Yeah, look at that burrow.
See another one way back here.
Yeah. Stay out of
Oh,
here,
straight looks
burrow
like a deer.
poachers. It does. It looks like a whole side of a head, man. Look at it from over here. Hayden finds something he thinks he can do pull-ups on. So what's he immediately start doing? Pull-ups.
I'm just trying to climb it. Them fucking things sucking it onto you.
I bet. I don't know if I got her. Oh, there she blows. Not tired, not at all. I'm good, and I'm ready to keep marching on. No thoughts of turning around, just heading back.
I'm not even breathing heavy.
I've always kind of thought that all of this stone around here we've been looking at looks volcanic, but I don't know anything. I know it was cut by a glacier. I don't know, you tell me. YouTube people.
There's a bunch of voodoo magic.
What were we calling them last week? My subscribers, weirdos. Or weird, because I couldn't talk. I kept putting two words together.
Weirdos.
Yeah, and instead of saying like weirdos, I said weirdos. Something like that.
Can't see.
We'll figure it out. Somebody post it if you've seen it. We went off trail, but it's cool. We're parallel.
Parallel, eh?
Well, look. We're getting up here and turning right, and we're right back on track.
What if the frequencies are messing with the compass?
Hey, Jeremy. Did I tell you about the pictures I took out here that look just like the pictures that they put about Skinwalker Ranch? All distorted and stuff. It's like they came out exactly the same way. We'll see how yours come out. Did I ever tell you about that? Well, that's a thing that's happened to me a couple times out here. Well, the video that me and Hayden filmed last week, we get to a few spots. I had to snip it out of a few scenes because it was so annoying, where there's just, you get to this point, there's just like this high-pitched, like hissing type sound. It's like, look at that mushroom right there.
Don't want you to film